Hello and welcome back. My name is Amulya, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install mods in Twitch application. So if you have not installed Twitch application on your Microsoft Windows, go ahead and watch my previous video how to install Twitch app on Microsoft Windows. Okay, so here we are. Once you have your Twitch installed and you are in the Twitch application, go ahead and click on this mods, and for this specific video I'm going to install Minecraft mod in Twitch application. So go ahead and click on here, and got few options here. You can go to advanced and change the location if you wish to, but my recommendation will be keep it as it is and then hit install. We are getting Minecraft ready for you, so it's going to be available in just few approximately minutes. Okay, so since it's gonna take some time, I'll be right back. Voila, thank you for your patience. Now you can see Minecraft mod is already installed within this Twitch application, but I do not have any profile yet, so let's go ahead and create one. So here is the create custom profile tab. Just click on it, or you can import a previously created profile if you have. Just type in your name, whatever name I just want to say no, it's not like that. It's like this, Giza. Here we go. So this is the version type, and I've got mod loader, that is Forge. So I'm going to say create. Now this has been created. I can go ahead and install these mod packs. Okay, so this is how you install Minecraft mod in Twitch application and create profile as well. So if you've got any issue, it still try to install it. Here, look at this. So, and it is installed. So if you have any issue installing Twitch app or Minecraft mod within this Twitch application, go ahead and watch my previous video, and if you have any other question, leave in the comment section below. Alright, so this is going to take some time here. You can wait for it and then start from there. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Have a good day.